nom nom nom.
So I like them.
Yeah.
Mum.
Any problem?
Say when I was ill.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not good for you.
What, when you're ill?
Yeah. Well, I always used to have
I know you say that, but the doctor told me it's not particularly good for you. Especially you've got the runs, because it makes you a lot worse.
Oh, so something sex machine.
You like Mum?
I think
I don't want to wrap her, thank you. Give it to Dad.
Sorry.
I think Lorne must have been here
Why?
because it says sex machine, and that's what he thinks he is.
My parents tried to Donna yesterday.
Pardon?
They found Donna.
Yeah, I know. And then you disappeared. I was going to talk to you again. You buggered off. Oh, okay. Fine. Be like that. You didn't want to talk to me, did you?
No.
Charming.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I will tonight. I'll
No,
talk to
I
you.
spoke to you now. I don't want to phone you as well.
Hi.
Don't need to, do we?
No.
Simon is a sexy gay guy from
Dad,
Jack.
I didn't talk
Edward
to Mum last
something
night.
is a pervert.
You know, you've done the hang up on me.
Fred!
Well, no, she asked you, and then I don't think you want to.